make noise. I like the song. I really enjoy the song. If you've never been here, I highly recommend you visit this place here, right? Many people come here today. It's a big event. Once a year, Fort Lauderdale has this event. Can you hear? Look! Oh my God! An airplane. They just coming down. Like, oh, that's crazy. That's really good. That's beautiful. Yeah, that's very much Las Olas today. Crowd place, busy place. You see? So you cannot see, guys, but oh my God, it's so beautiful. Can you hear? That's crazy. I want to park my car somewhere here, but it's so busy. So guys, I just got here, Las Olas, Fort Lauderdale. I'm gonna record you. You're gonna check it out something here. Like, it's really nice. The beach is so fully, so crowded. A lot of people. I'm gonna come up over there. So all the way down here, you're gonna get some restaurant. That's amazing. So many people, my friend. So many people. It's a long way walk. Walk and still keep going. Look, the police. That's a nice motorbike. Yeah, I'm still in Fort Lauderdale. We're gonna get a restaurant and bar over here. A lot. My left side, we get a beach. Many people. Crowd place. That's where we are in Florida. Just enjoy Florida. If you wanna come down here, I highly recommend you, right? You can rent a boat, rent a jet ski, rent a kayak, or even rent a Mustang. I got two cars. Like, I got a Mustang, another one. I'm thinking putting my Mustang for rent. I'm just thinking. I like my Mustang. I'm not sure if you're gonna do it because anyway, but you can rent a Mustang, you can rent a boat, a jet ski, a kayak, or whatever you like it. I'm just saying, if you come down to Florida, don't stay only in Miami. You have to explore some place around Florida. Fort Lauderdale, it's just one of those. But you can get a bunch of amazing places. So what's going on here? Check it out, check it out. So I don't do party anymore, but if you like get a bar, you can get here. Like, look it up. And also, look this one here. How I said, you got air show, United States Air Force. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. You see here? Oh my God. It's pretty beautiful. That's amazing. That's good. Look it up, look it up. That's so beautiful. Man, they just blocked the street over there and they park this one over here. United States Air Force. Airspace. Cyber space. That's pretty good. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Like it? Yeah, that's pretty much you can get in Fort Lauderdale. Especially this day here, like this event is a big event. Every year Fort Lauderdale has it. I gotta go all the way through and then gonna record something for you. I hope you enjoy. So I've been a lot of places, how I said before, but Florida is so really beautiful. I love this place here. You can see? Look at that. So there's a mall here. You can grab some food or take some drink. You can buy some clothes here. Look at that.
Hey, what's that?
You see? That's Florida. That's where we are. Look at that. It's so easy to find a gold digger if you're looking for. I mean, I really hate like gold digger. I'm not looking for it. Seriously. I don't like these people, man. Like gold digger is not good for anyone, man. Believe me. Some guys still keep going and looking for a gold digger, but oh man, it's so fucking crazy that no, it's not for me, seriously. But you can find a nice girl too, I'm pretty sure. Hey guys, check it out what's going on here.
Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my brain. Feel like a new ballet. Yeah, hold tight when you feel so. Like this, like this, like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Going to the julep, what's the AP? Yeah.
Traveling around South Florida and then post here on social media, on YouTube or Facebook or whatever. All right, so make sure you're gonna see Fort Lauderdale number 2 and number 3.